Hey everyone, it's Neil, and it's so hot, but I've got this. Look at this. It's a portable neck fan, and we're gonna give this thing a try. It says it's an adjustable size. It says long battery life, bladeless fan, low noise, and it looks like I got the color white, but I guess it comes in other colors as well. And then here's some other information. I guess there's a barcode on it, if that means anything, but that's the information about it. Let's give this thing a try and see how we do. So let's open it up. We shall see what's inside. So there's everything. Box is empty. And this is it here. So plastic. So it comes with a charging cable, which is USB to USB-C. Sounds good. Some newer technology there. It's got the manual, but let's just open this up and see how it looks without the manual. So this is what it looks like here. It's kind of very flexible. See, this is very flexible and the rest is solid. And then it's gonna obviously suck in the air, I guess from here and blow it out here. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know, we'll try it. Here's the button. And it's going. So, it's got a little light on it. I don't know if you can see. I'm guessing there's a little light right there. I guess that shows that it's on. But this is blowing on me. That's pretty nice. Let's see, where was that button again? Here, so I'm gonna try different. If I push it 2 times, it's even more air. And 3 times, that is super cool. Yeah, that's nice. I wonder if I could run with this, because when I do my exercises and stuff, that would be really nice. Probably not, but very cool. And it's good. You can kind of aim it out a little bit to get, that's just getting my ears, and then here, it's getting my little neck inside here. It's even getting a bit of my back of my neck. I guess it's kind of these ones here will kind of back a little bit. So I'm gonna turn it off in case it's too noisy. But that's pretty cool. Let me see if I'm missing anything here. I'm gonna go look it up in the manual here. So this is the portable neck fan manual. Probably was supposed to charge it before I start, so it might even be more powerful eventually. But here's just some, you guys can see it. If you need something from the manual, you can probably pause it and zoom in. But let me take a quick look here. We have air outlets, silicone switch and gear button, and the air inlet. Oh, it sucks the air in from on the inside here. So that's kind of it. Just basically says, take it out of the thing and turn it on, and then you can angle it. So very cool. So yeah, I can actually feel the button, so you don't really need to take it off to do it, but very cool for me. And it's a portable neck fan. I guess it says model H, whatever that is, HL18, if that means anything, but super cool, very flexible, that's for sure. So I like it. Thumbs up for me. The link's in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.